Muvea wa Uiiti niwaweta Ngunuu kuikiithya kana tulinyu Uwau Ebola ula uendeeye na ukusiiwa nthi ya DRC na Uganda uinalika nthi ya Kenya. Mwandiki Muvea wa Uiiti Meri Muthoni ainena kavindani kala ikomanite na atongo imambo ngekivathukanio Muvea niwaweta kana Kenya ndinesa ukusiia kiko na kimwe na kana maofisa ma Uiiti nimethitwe maikwata mauvundisyo malaili kwa chumwa yulu wa kukitana na Uwau. Susan Kavili ena mauvo.
Nthi ya Kenya niendeeye kwithwa mwisioni munene wa kwikumbelwa ni tulinyu Ebola ula unyakite nthi ya DRC na Uganda palandu ya nemwe 41 mavikite kutiwa ni thayu. Ono wiovo Muvea wa Uiiti niendeeye na kuthingilila vaikiko ona kimwe ta Ebola va Kenya.
Kenya remains at high risk on high alert for the Budibugyo virus disease due to the extensive population mobility with the DRC and Uganda, which have reported 635 cases and 19 cases respectively. So while Kenya currently has 0 cases, our rapid response teams must remain fully mobilized.
Kenya has not reported any Ebola virus disease case as of 13th June 2026. Cumulatively, and I know the numbers maybe will change today once we receive the reports. Cumulatively, as at 13th, we have 91 samples from 88 alerts that have been tested, and all have actually tested negative.
Ainena umbanoni wa kila tumwa wa maundu ma wima wa mwi. Mwandiki munene Muvea wa Uiiti Meri Muthoni ni wasia serikali ni yumbanite kusiia Uwau Ebola kwikumbila Kenya aiweta mbewa matakitali 6 kauntini 25 ila si utalika kwithwa mwisioni wa kwikumbelwa ni Uwau.
And we must ensure that the mapped up surge staff are ready for immediate deployment to continue to support the in-person trainings in the high-risk counties like Kusiia, Kana, and many other places, including Nairobi and Mombasa counties.
Ingi serikali niongelete ukunikiliwa kwa mathima alama kuma lanza wa nthi maiweta Uwau wa mpox ta uendeeye unyaikite.
Now we've screened more than 100,000. We stand at 111,953 as at Saturday. But we have also been able to map out such capacity just in case of a response. We will be able to deploy them.
We must escalate our response to the mpox outbreak, which has now affected 38 counties out of 47 counties, and recording more than 1,000 cases. And currently we have 19 deaths out of mpox. So that has been ongoing since last year, and we must be ready to deal with it.
Ngilivotia vilingwa mauvo netawa Susan Kavili.